You. Hey, hey, hey. Saturday. It's a Saturday. January the 20th. I'm sorry. January 2026. I know what you're saying there. What is he doing now? What I'm doing, I'm going to deep clean the fridge. I haven't cleaned it for many years. I'm cleaning it today. It's been a mess. You know what? I'm thinking that I ain't gonna buy much food and put in there anymore because they spoiled, all of them. I have to throw them all out. Oh my God. Yep. Cleaning the fridge. How often do you clean your fridge? Actually, what this one is doing is defrosting. It's defrosting itself by itself. All water coming out at the bottom. Where's all the water coming from? Right down here, when I pull the tray out, so water came out of it. And I didn't know where it's coming from. I said, I make no ice. I didn't make no ice. I need a new fridge anyway. This one is pretty old. I've been have it for a number of years now. But I don't have no money to buy a new one. They're expensive, you know. A good fridge costs about $2,000. Get that type of money. Not rich like you rich folks, you know. You rich folks can get anything you want. Anything you want anytime. Rich folks. It must be nice being rich, isn't it? Huh? I'm a rock star. A poor rock star. Cheers. I know. Vodka. So I'm going to clean it and put that few things in there. I ain't going to put a lot of stuff in there like I had before. Yeah. Not necessary. Yeah. Have you?